you guys, so welcome to my next puzzle, and I chose, well, not me personally, but my daughter. I thought this year I might let my family a little bit decide what I do, so that gives me a little, like a twist. Maybe I will do some puzzles I wouldn't do otherwise. So, and my daughter, she is a massive Encanto fan. So, surely she chose Encanto Casita for me. So, I heard a lot of things about this puzzle because a lot of people said it was very hard. And I am a little bit intimidated, I have to say. But well, if I don't try it, I'll never know. So, let's do it! Okay, you guys, so here we have it. Casita! I have to admit, most of it was easier than I thought, but as soon as I turned the puzzle and started to sort the pieces to do, all this, that was a little bit tricky, but it was doable, so it wasn't too long, and yes, I had fun with it. So, here we have it. We've got Abuela, and Uncle Felix and Uncle Felix and Auntie Peppa and Dolores. We've got Isabella here, Camilo. Is it Camilo? I guess, yeah. Here we've got. Yeah, well, it's a good question. The names of their parents. So Uncle Felix was. Oh, Julieta, yeah. So that's Julieta, but I don't know his name. And yes, of course, Mirabel. And we've got Antonio somewhere here. Where's Luisa? There is Luisa with her donkey. So that's cool. That's quite cool. And I love the capybara because capybaras are the best. Oh my goodness. I forgot to talk about Bruno. Of course, Bruno is here as well. Okay, you guys. Have you seen Encanto? Tell me in the comments. And thank you very much for watching. We will see us on the next one. If you want, you could hit the like button or consider to subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.